Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's clean with me is going to be a kitchen clean, declutter, and organization. There's definitely some areas in my kitchen that are just kind of a little crazy and I'm not happy with the way that they're working. So we are going to get rid of some stuff and then reorganize. I feel like for a kitchen, this is something that you have to keep up with and probably do every like 6 months. Otherwise, it can get a little out of control. But I am starting by doing just a quick wipe down of everything. The boys had lunch, so before I start taking things out of the cabinets, I want to make sure all the counters and everything are wiped down first.
Night in the middle of the storm, the road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Her laughter traveled well across those hardwood floors.
So this seems to be the biggest question I'm getting, especially a lot lately with me being in my first trimester, is how I get motivated. And I'll be honest, I have been so sick with morning sickness and everything, which is weird because every other pregnancy before this one, I didn't have any morning sickness. And then on top of that, we have had the flu in the house, and not just type A, but also type B for the flu. So I really just try when I am feeling good to tackle something, because if I start working on something, I actually feel better and not like I've been useless this whole time. So the biggest thing to get me motivated is just to do something. Now, obviously, if I'm really not feeling good and need to relax, that's what I do. But when I finally have that like burst of energy, I just want to get it all done. Now, the first big place I needed to tackle was my junk drawer. I feel like we all have this, either a junk drawer or a junk cabinet, and I am no exception. And this one is ours. I always I've reorganized this thing a million times and it just does not stay organized. So I went to the dollar store and picked up some stuff, and I'm hoping this time is the trick to keeping it organized.
Jesse came home on a Friday night in the middle of a game. He left her for the bottle once again. Don't cry, honey, it'll all work out. It's a big old world out there. You'll be on your feet, but you're always welcome here. So just keep going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your pot of gold.
All right, and like I said before, I just got these containers right from the dollar store. I feel like with organization, it is a ton of trial and error to figure out how you want it laid out, and then honestly, down the road, possibly changing it up to what really fits your needs. So I was just playing with what containers would fit best in this drawer, and then how I could organize stuff out. Because obviously, like, pens and markers, those are things that I like to have easily accessible. I also have some lip glosses and body sprays that I like to keep downstairs so I'm not constantly running upstairs. And just little things. We also throw our mail in here. So I put a specific basket just for mail, and I keep my oils in this drawer. So I'm just playing with everything to see what really works best, and then a lot of stuff I either threw out or found new homes for it, because with this being a junk drawer, often things just get thrown in here that aren't meant to actually be in the kitchen.
'Cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run him through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck.
And then with this being the silverware drawer, I wanted to move out the bags and different saran wrap and stuff and just make this my cutting board and silverware and basic stuff, hoping that that'll keep this drawer a little bit cleaner as well as my junk drawer. And then I moved into this cabinet over here. This one has gotten out of control as well. This is my medicine cabinet / Ray Dunn storage. I keep all my different Ray Dunn mugs in here. And these were definitely something I had to go through and downsize a little bit because I love my Ray Dunn, but I've definitely gotten a little out of hand with how many I had. So I just wanted to get rid of a couple. That way it wasn't quite so crazy.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him.
Now, one thing I like to do right away when decluttering my house is make a sell and donate pile. It just makes it so I'm not having stuff sitting in the house for too long. Now to sell, I love using the Mercari app, and I want to thank Mercari for sponsoring today's video. Now, the great thing about Mercari is, one, you can sell practically anything on there, from household, different items, you can do kid items, clothing. There's a little bit of everything on here. In this situation, I'm getting rid of these Ray Dunn mugs. I know Ray Dunn is more of a collector type item, so they always do really, really well on here. And the other thing I really love about this is right now I am trying to not spend too much money on things like maternity clothes. So I have been loving this app for just upping my wardrobe during this pregnancy without breaking the bank. Now, when it comes to listing, it's super easy. You literally, as you can see, I'm taking a photo. I throw it on the website. When I threw it up there, it actually auto-filled the description, so that made it real easy. Ray Dunn black tea mug. So I can just copy and paste. And it also will give you like suggested pricing. It'll show you what shipping and things like that run. It just literally makes it so easy to list things and just make a little extra money on the side. So definitely check out my link in the description below to check out Mercari. Like I said, great way to sell stuff and great way to get things and not break the bank.
Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable,
So this cabinet over here in the corner is where I was keeping like the everyday dishes as well as like my candles and waffle maker. The only thing I'm not a fan of is this is an awkward cabinet. So it's great for like my candles and things like that. But when it came to dishes and everything, I just didn't love the way it was set up. So I'm moving all of them to over here. I also got the boys some new plasticware because I don't like the different shapes plasticware that we had. And I'm going to be moving all the mugs as well as different vitamins and medicine into this corner cabinet. I just think it'll work better, like I said, because of the really awkward shaping of it. And then when it comes to these different cups that the kids have, I got 2 bins from the dollar store that I'm just going to place them in. That way it just gives it a neater look. It's one of those things of they're not going to look perfect anyway. So at least with putting them in bins, they look a little bit neater and a little bit nicer when opening the cabinets.
I get unstable.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide.
Now my spice cabinet I actually did a couple months back and it really wasn't that bad. I just needed to quickly tidy it up. But then I wanted to focus on my utensil drawer because I feel like that isn't horrible, but I definitely could have made it work a little bit better.
I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright.
Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it kind of gave you some little hints or tips of maybe getting your kitchen in order, or even if you just need the motivation to get it done. I was super happy with the before and afters of these. Like I said, sometimes you have to try things multiple times. I know I've done my linen closet a couple times, my pantry a couple times, because everything comes with trial and error. So don't be afraid to try something and then change it, because that's how you figure out what really, really works for you. If you guys are new here, I hope you would consider subscribing and joining me and my family here on YouTube. And for all my returning subscribers, I love you guys so, so much. And I appreciate your guys' support more than anything. Also, don't forget to check out my link down below for your chance to try out Mercari on your own. I know you guys are absolutely going to love using this app. But until next time, bye!
In a breath or two, she was on her way out the door.